Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a knurling nut, and to discuss here this point is a design here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view. All view is mentioned here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a thread dimension, and all dimension in millimeter, and thread is detail. A pitch is 1.25 millimeter, and revolution is 7. And okay, all is one by one is discussed here. Okay, this is a drawing of this body and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all is perfect, looking perfect and correct body is designed here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, and one by one is learn here. Okay, at first select this new part is select here, and going to this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this and document properties, and going to this image quality is very high because all line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this and plain white, and this unit is a mmgs is very important because this is a millimeter gram second is perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. And drawing this part, at first select this front view is plane is clear, you can see here. Okay, at first select front plane, and this and some symmetry is drawing here. And at first select this center line and draw a vertical line, and this is a horizontal line, and two line is a selector. Okay, and select this and okay, and some geometry is drawing here, this and okay, and this is a okay, this and this geometry is perfect drawing here. Okay, and connect to this and connect to this. Okay, this geometry is a very important drawing here because this is a perfect, and all dimension is this is a 8.75 millimeter, 12.5 millimeter, and 14 millimeter radius, and this is a 14.75 millimeter, and 11.5 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter, and 1.5 millimeter is all is a blue color is dimension is mentioned here. At first one by one is drawing here, and smart dimension is used here, is a very important. And this upper this is a 14.75 millimeter. Okay, and and this is a 14. Okay, and this is a 8.75. okay, and okay, this is a 12.5 is this 12.5. okay, and again this is used here this is a 11.5. okay, and this is a 6. okay, and okay, this is perfect looking here, and this is a 1.5. okay, all is perfect, and all is a black color is means this is fully defined. And okay, all is perfect, one by one is drawing here. This is a 14 millimeter, and 12.5 millimeter, and 8.75 millimeter, and this is a 11.5 millimeter, and this is a 14.75 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter and 1.5 millimeter. All is perfect drawing here. Okay, and going to this feature and revolve base is apply here, and this is a drawing. Okay, this part is a drawing here, and some edit part is this and okay, and this use a fillet, and the fillet is used here this and going to some rotate here this and fillet is used here this and going to 0.5 millimeter and select this edge. Okay, 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 and again select a fillet is used here, and this use a 1 and going to this rotate here this body and going to this is a selector this edge and okay. Okay, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this 1. This is a 1. Okay, and this is some missing point here. This use this delete here, and this is a okay. This use here a chamfer, not a fillet. A chamfer is used here and 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This chamfer is used here and select this edge. Okay, and again select this chamfer 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle. Select this edge inside and going to this rotate and select this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is better. Okay, all is perfect. And some okay, this is this drawing here this and this is very very important. Okay, and this cutting here this part and going to this and okay, at first select this face sketch normal. Okay, drawing this center line and connect to this point to this. Okay, and okay, drawing this rectangle is this and okay, connect to this. Center line is also drawing here, connect to this to this. Okay, and this line is a vertical line and okay, and this this point to this and this line is also horizontal, and this is a perfect. Okay, and select this line and press a control button and select this. At first press a control button and select this line and this line and this line. This is a symmetric. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a symmetric line this, because some is a this and and dimension is this is a 60 degree. Okay, and okay, all is perfect, and this is use a 0.6. Okay, this is a perfect, and this point and this point is a, this is a 0.35 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is black color means this is a fully defined and this is a perfect. And going to feature, and this is a extrude cut is apply here, and this is a use here through all, and okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and again select this, use a pattern is a circular pattern, and select this part and going to this extrude cut, select here and going to this and this circle is okay, this is a perfect okay, and all is this, select here this edge, this 360 degree and 150 pattern, okay, and equal spacing, and this is extrude cut, click OK, and all is perfect looking here. Okay, and again select this, rotate here this body, and again okay, and again select here this part, and this thread is used here, and this thread is a pitch is 1.25 millimeter and the velocity is 7 millimeter use here, and okay, select this face, sketch normal, and drawing this circle, and okay, and this diameter is a 26 millimeter because given here this 26 millimeter is dia, and okay, okay, and going to this feature, and this helix and spiral, and this use a pitch, this is a pitch and revolution, constant pitch, and pitch is 1.25, okay, and the reverse is better, and this is a 7, okay, and this is 0 degree and clockwise because all is given here. This thread is pitch is 1.25 millimeter, revolution is 7 clockwise and 0 degree, and all is perfect looking here, all is perfect. Okay, click OK, and going to this, rotate this part, okay, all is perfect, and again select this thread, and plane is used here, this top plane is better, okay, because this is a end point is this, and drawing a rectangle, and this rectangle is this, and again select a center line, connect to this, this is a vertical line, okay, and again select this, press a control button and select this line, and this line is a symmetric, okay, and again select this is a 60 degree, okay, and this point is 0.86, okay, and this line is a drawing here this, and this is a perfect here, and okay, and select this point and press a control button, this path is selected, and going to this pierce is this, okay, all is perfect, and this is a exit, and going to this revolve cut, this is a sweep cut is better, and sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a, this profile is select here, and again select a path is select here this, okay, and this preview is showing here, and this is a perfect and correct, click OK, and this is a apply here and going to this appearance, color and metal, and this nickel, and this polish nickel is better, and this perfect. Okay, and this body is rotate here, and this is perfect. And isometric view is also, you can see here on the screen. Okay, and this is better. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.